Hey everyone, my name is Cisa De Toro from Class 2C. Agriculture application of alkynes, alcohol, and ethers. Alkynes, alcohol, and ethers are important chemicals in agriculture. Alkynes are hydrocarbons with triple bonds. One common use of alkynes in agriculture is for producing herbicides and pesticides. These compounds help protect crops from weeds and pests, ensuring better yields. Alcohols like ethanol are also widely used in farming. Ethanol can be used as a solvent in pesticides, and it helps dissolve active ingredients for effective spraying. Alcohols also have disinfecting properties, which can help sanitize farming equipments and tools to prevent the spread of diseases. Ethers are organic compounds containing an oxygen atom connected to two alkyl groups, are used as solvents in various agricultural chemicals. They help in the formation of fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides by ensuring that these chemicals are easily applied to crops and are evenly distributed. In conclusion, alkynes, alcohol, and ethers play a crucial role in modern agriculture. They contribute to the production, preservation, and application of important chemicals that protect crops and ensure food security. Their proper use promotes healthier crops and high productivity in the farming industry.